Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. This session continues from my previous video of this video, Scripting Language Template Solution 1. And please download source code, previous source code, from our previous session, and copy in download folder. Please unzip it. When download completes, please unzip it. Then copy solution and paste it to your working folder. Okay, then open it. I will explain the contents, what we will learn in this video. This is our source code editor that we developed in our previous session. In this session, we will learn interface-based programming technique. And first, interface-based programming technique is very important when we try to build version-independent DLL library. For example, if we make DLL using Visual Studio 2015, then sometime later, if we try to use this DLL library using program application developed in Visual C++ 2017, then there can be problem. We built DLL based on Visual Studio 2015. Then sometime later, we make new program based on Visual Studio 2017, like different version. Then we cannot use DLL built using Visual Studio 2015. Say we built DLL based on Visual Studio 2015 today, then sometime later, like next year or sometime later, if we make new application, new program based on Visual Studio 2017, then we cannot use binary DLL built using Visual Studio 2015. If we want to use binary DLL files built using Visual Studio 2015 in the application built using Visual Studio 2017, then we need to use interface-based programming technique to build the DLL library. That's what I am going to address in this video. Okay. Now in Visual Studio, we open a previous solution. This is our previous solution. In the solution, right click, we will make a few changes. Properties, select code editor, then linker, optimization, all configuration, all platform. Here link time code generation, use default, apply, then OK. Then we build it. I set release build, Control F5. Okay, it is built and running. I want to change a few more things in the class view. Source code here, global function, no, cylinders, click anything. Here I want to change cylinders to talk play fun, namespace cylinders to talk play fun. To change this, select text to change, or you can say right click, then we should have rename. I think this method is better. Then new name, talk play fun, preview, then apply. Then its namespace, change it. Also click in the talk play fun namespace, say user default name, user default locale name, and please remove +1 here. I will talk more about this later. Now rebuild, Control F5. Okay, successfully built. And Solution Explorer, close all files, save it. Now we are adding library. Right click, add project, Win32 project. We will name it lib parser. Next, and DLL. We will not support ATL or MFC. We will not select just DLL. Precompiled header, security development lifecycle, finish. Okay, we will do some plumbing work. Right click the solution, properties, then project dependencies, code editor, lib parser. Click this, apply, and then code editor. Do you want to save change? Yes, save changes. In code editor and general, additional include directories. Click this button, solution dir lib parser. It should get resolved like this. Click we will put it down like this. Click OK. Apply. Make sure all configuration, all platform is selected. OK. Then here we will build this library. Right click, project, build. Okay, here again, right click and add properties, C++, command line. Make sure you have selected the library parser, lib parser, all configuration, all platform, C++, command line. Here, D build lib parser. You should not have blank space after D. You have to do like this. Apply. Okay, we defined build lib parser macro. Save it. Then we will add two header file. Click header file. Insert header file. Here, name it like this: lib parser base.h. Then we will have things like this. Then here, if not def, ext lib parser and if, like this. if def, this is if def field liv parser else and if. Here define ext liv parser to underscore decl, okay, 1 2 underscore decl spec declare spec dll export. Here define ext liv parser decl spec declare spec dll import. Here pragma comment liv parser liv. Now indent a little bit, also indent this one. Okay, it looks better. Save. Okay. About pragma comment liv, please look up MSDN. And we will add one more file here, two more header files here, liv parser internal h, and another one liv parser external h. Here in external h we will include liv base. Save it. And one more, lastly one more, liv parser h. This is for public interface. So here we define something like this. If def build liv parser else and if, like this. Then here we include liv parser internal, include, I will change it, if def build library, include liv parser external. Okay, if def build liv parser, then include liv parser internal, liv parser external. Here else include liv parser external. Like this. Save it. Okay. So this is public interface, public header file. These are used for internally. These three header files, face, external, internal is used in internally in this project liv parser only. So when we access library files from outside liv parse, we will have to access liv parse.h. Here std apax we can include include lib parser like this. Okay, then build, rebuild. Okay, it all works. Also here, header file, stdafx here. We include lib parser.h. Save it. Let's close all. Now let's test this library file first. And here we will define one file here, int ext lib parser max size. We are testing this library file 10 like this. Then copy it. We have to put it external here. Then delete this, extern like this. Save it. Save all. And we will access this this global data from our code editor here in the class view. Initial update. Here make a C string like this. C string msg format L max size %d, then max size like this. Then afx sshg message box msg. Now build and run at Ctrl F5. Okay, max size 10, it works. Close all. Now I will remove this because we tested it. Save it again. Close all files. In the class view again. Here. Solution. We add one class. Right click. Add class. C++ class. Add. Here class name will be C pass manager, and it will have a virtual destructor, but I will set it manually later. Finish. At this point we include lib base. Lib base defines ext lib parser. Okay, save like this. Save. Then copy here, append it, prefix it like this. So far so good. Save it and build the parser. Okay, it succeeds. And in stdafx here, add some files like include IO stream, include DQ, also include C Studio, also include C locale, CW character, include CSTD LIV. Save it. Studio. Here in manager, private section, STD, DQ, double, M, result. Save like this. Now build. Save all. Build parser. Build only project. It succeeded, but there is problem. If you read the message properly, warning 4251, warning 4251, you say needs to have a DLL interface to be used by client application blah blah blah. If you have message like DLL interface used by client class or something like this, if you have warning message like this, needs to have DLL interface to be used by client of some class, it means you can use this DLL when we build the same version of C++, but we are using Visual Studio 2015 right now. 2015 update 3. Sometime later, when we build this DLL, we can still use when we develop application, all application using Visual Studio 2015. But once we make these DLL files, LIV parser using Visual Studio 2015, and sometime later when we use these DLL files in application developed using Visual Studio 2017 or 2020 or something in future version of standard C++, then we cannot use this DLL when we have warning message like this. So we need to change it into interface-based programming. So that's what I mean, interface-based programming. So we cannot use this way. We cannot embed standard library container or data type here like this. We can't. And so we introduce another header file. Right click, add new item. Then header file will be I interface. I pass manager H. Okay. See, it is just it will be abstract class. I will close it. Now we include here, this is public interface. Public interface means this interface, this file will be accessible from outside of this project. So we have to include parser base like this. Then we can use class, but I will use a struct. and I will change it to I. I means interface. Then like this, change like this. Then I will add one virtual function. This is virtual function. We created an interface like this. Then we copy it. Then here, public, we inherit, and we cannot use it. We will not use it. We still use it, but we remove. Instead of doing this, we can do like this. lib I pass h. Save it. So this is internal class that can be accessible in this project only, but not accessible outside this project. I will say C pass manager is available, accessible. Only in lib pass project. It is not accessible, okay? And this is accessible. Here I will add, okay, save all, and we have to implement it to copy it. Like this, copy, and here, and it is not accessible neither. We have to fix like this. Now here we make some message. Here. Change like this. Also copy this. Okay, save them. Save them all. And let's build. Build failed. And we will see. Now rebuild. Now we do not have error message, warning message saying that this is, we do not have warning message any longer that we had previously. But this is the way we have to do in interface-based programming technique. We will add one more function here. parser, iParser, pass manager, create pass manager. So this is declaration, copy it, and here we paste it. Return new C pass manager, save it, build once again. Now we will use this code, this class, in the class view. View again, int here. To use CPass Manager in our client application, in code editor, our client application, we have to do like this: std unique ptr iPass manager ppm, then create pass manager. Okay, then create pass manager should be included here. Create pass manager. To do that, we have to add it here. No, external. We have to include iPass manager, like this. Now we don't need it, so we will delete it, and also we will delete it from here. Then let's build once again. H. Okay, now in here, now we try it. ppm run. Now let's Control F5. Now it works. Okay, but there is one problem. Let's see what's the problem. See, there is one problem here. When it is destroyed, destructor should be called, but destructor is not called. We have to fix this problem. To fix that, iPass manager here, we have to do like this: virtual. We need virtual destructor. Base class should have virtual destructor like this. Then default. Now fixed like this. Control F5 again. Okay. Now destructor called properly. So this way we created interface-based programming. Interface is not something very difficult this way we can access C path manager in version independent way. And before we close this session, I will introduce namespace to prevent name clash. So I will change it like this: name space talk play fun, like this. Also here, okay, I will also change it here: namespace talk play fun, like this. Save it. Also I will close it. Here, namespace talk play fun, like this. Save it, and here we have to talk play fun, talk play fun, like this. Now let's build again. Ctrl F5. There is error. It should be talk play fun. Sorry, Ctrl F5 again. Now it works. Also destruct the code. Everything seems to be working fine. This is the way we make version independent DLL files. And in next session, you can download the complete source code in the description section below. In next session, we will integrate. We will make parser class. We will develop more scripting language. Thank you for watching.